Hello, my name is Renee Brown, and I am your child's multicultural English teacher. I'm very excited about multicultural literature because we study such a diverse group of text. The first text we'll be looking at will be The Arrival, which is a picture book. It's a very in-depth picture book, about 90 pages. So the students have to do a lot of inferencing, and it's a good thing because as they go on into their lives, video is becoming more and more a popular medium of communication. Our second book will be Absolutely True Diary of a Part-Time Indian, which focuses on Native Americans and Native American issues. The third book will be called Refugee. It's by Alan Gratz. It's one of the newer works, and I absolutely love it. It is three stories melded into one. We will be looking at a variety of texts from a variety of different immigrating groups. We will also be looking at college and career opportunities. We've already done a college essay. I'm very excited that we get to actually be there when they get accepted. This is the fun part of the semester. So please reach out to me if you have a question. You can always reach me by email at renee.brown@cobbk12.org, and I'll be happy to get back with you. If I don't know the answer, I will find the answer. And I look forward to helping our students get to graduation. I love to watch them walk across the stage. It's the highlight of the year. So I know you're looking as forward to it as I am. Thank you.